In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Discord emojis. If you want to have your own emojis, a custom emoji on your Discord server, let me show you how it is done. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you are on the correct server and create your emoji. Once you're inside, you need to click on this downwards arrow on the top left and then head over to server settings. From the server settings again, on the left side under expression, you'll see the option called emoji. You can click on this option. Before you do upload an image or an emoji, you need to follow these requirements. So you need to select a file type that matches one of these and the recommended size as well as the dimension. Only if your image follows these requirements, you'll be able to click on upload and upload your image. So if you have an image that follows these requirements, you can click on the upload emoji option and the emoji that you're trying to upload. As soon as you do that, your emoji now will be uploaded. You can also rename this whatever you like. And once you're done, if you head back to the chat of this server and then click on the emoji option, you can see the emoji has now been added in to the emoji side of this server. You can repeat this process for other images as well and then add in multiple emojis. That's basically it for today's video. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.